Here I present a Spartus clock from sometime in the 80s, I think. It's a model 1172 Horizon. UL listed 120 volts, 8 watts, 60 hertz. I don't know if that's a date code or what. But anyway, it's made in Hong Kong, and it's purple of all colors. This thing actually sat at my local Goodwill for quite a while before I figured I'd go ahead and buy it just to save it from being thrown out or whatever. It's got their settings here, snooze bar. And this is how you set the time. Not real easy to do one-handed. But anyway, let me pause this and I'll get the alarm set. Okay, in about a minute this will go off. I have it set to 3:09. But yeah, it is a Spartus. And it is purple. I don't know. I figured it was like $1 or something. It was $2 originally, but it was 50% off, so I spent like $1 on it. So I'm not out much on this one. Let's just wait for the time. But you know, I thought it was neat. I actually have a wood grain version of this, and there's the alarm. So there you go, there's the little Spartus clock. Tiny thing. Model 1172. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.